Hola mamá, ya llegué a casa.
Hola, cariño, ¿cómo te fue en la universidad hoy?
Fue un buen día, mamá. Tuvimos una clase interesante de historia y luego practicamos deportes en el campus. Pero tengo una noticia, mañana tenemos una actividad del club de cocina y necesito traer algunos ingredientes.
Oh, eso suena divertido, cariño. ¿Qué necesitas llevar?
Aquí tienes la lista: un coco, una sandía, algunas uvas, algunos dátiles, 2 peces, 3 aguacates, 4 naranjas, 5 kiwis, medio docena de manzanas, 7 limones, 8 huevos, 9 higos y 10 peras. También necesito una docena de plátanos y una docena y media de granadas.
Vaya, eso es una lista larga. Está bien, lo anotaré y mañana haremos las compras para asegurarnos de que tengas todo lo que necesitas para la actividad del club de cocina.
Gracias, mamá. Estoy emocionada por la actividad. También me gustaría intentar hacer un postre con algunos de estos ingredientes después.
Eso suena delicioso, cariño. ¿Tienes alguna receta en mente?
Sí, he estado pensando en hacer una ensalada de frutas con todo esto y tal vez un pastel de kiwi y limón.
Suena fantástico, definitivamente deberíamos probarlo. Te ayudaré a conseguir lo que necesitas para tu actividad y tu pequeño proyecto de cocina.
Gracias, mamá, eres la mejor.
Siempre estoy aquí para apoyarte, cariño. Ahora, asegurémonos de que tengas todo lo que necesitas para tener un día exitoso en el club de cocina y disfrutar de tus deliciosos postres después.
I hope that video gave you the sneak peek of today's class, right? Hola y bienvenidos a nuestro canal de español. Today, we are going to cover 3 essential concepts: Spanish numbers, plural forms of nouns, and some tasty fruit vocabulary. By the end of this lesson, you will be well on your way to speaking Spanish with confidence. Empecemos. First, let us look at the number names and then we will move on to the plural nouns. Here I have numbers up to 15. 0 to 15. Repeat the number names with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are the number names of 0 to 15. These are fundamental for any conversation. So, please practice the number names from 0 to 15. After 15, things get interesting. The pattern changes. If you consider the word "dies" to be this part of the word to be stem and this part of the word to be a root, this root changes to ci. Zeta changes to ci. Then it will become dsc and then you will add the number name of 6, which is seis. dsc, siete. dsc, ocho. dsc, nueve. And then number name for 20 is veinte. Veinte. From 20 to 29, the pattern again changes. In veinte, A changes to E and then it becomes 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. From 30 to 99, it will follow the same pattern. 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, sesenta is 60, setenta is 70, ochenta is 80, noventa is 90. If you have to say 31, it is 31. The number name E means and then followed by the number names 1 to 9. 31, 32, 33 and so on. Again, 41 also 41, 42, 43 and so on. And CN is 100. 100 is CN. 101 is ciento uno and so on. 200 is dos cientos. 300 is tres cientos and so on. 1000 is mil. 2000 is dos mil and 10,000 is 10 mil. 1 lakh is 100 mil and 10 lakhs is un millón. Now let's learn plural form of the nouns. Plural form of nouns can be formed in Spanish by adding s or es to the noun. Moving back to the Sophia's cooking club list, here are some nouns. Let's take un coco, means a coconut. If you have to make it plural, you need to say cocos. Let's say dos cocos means 2 coconuts. Here we are adding s to the noun to make it plural. Here is the rule. If a noun ends in vowel, you need to add s to the noun to make its plural form. Here, dos cocos is 2 coconuts. Un coco is 1 coconut. Dos cocos is 2 coconuts. Here we are adding s to the noun because the ending of the noun is a vowel. Next we have pez. Pez means fish. To make its plural form, we need to add es because the rule says if a noun ends in a consonant, we need to add es. But here we need to observe some endings. Like in this case, we have seta here. If the noun ending is consonant, that too seta, we need to make it as ces, not zes. That's why this is dos peces. If a noun's ending is a consonant, we need to add es to that noun to make its plural form. If the ending is consonant, that too seta, you need to make it as ces. That's why this is dos peces. Next we have limones. Sofia needs 7 limones. Sofia needs 7 lemons, it seems. Lemon is lemon in Spanish. To make its plural form, you need to drop this accent form. And you need to add es to the noun. That's why this is limones. Limones is lemons. The rule says nouns with accent mark on the last syllable, in order to make its plural form, you need to drop this accent form and you need to add es to that noun. That's why here this is limones. We dropped the accent mark and we added the es to the noun to make it plural. And this brings to the end of this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.